Let's talk about selling digital products. We've all seen the ads: escape the 9 to 5, sell ebooks, printables, or courses, and live on the beach. Sounds dreamy, right? But hold on, there is more to the story than that fantasy that Instagram is showing us. Hey everyone, it's Rockell here, and today we're getting real about selling digital products. So buckle up because I'm about to spill the tea on the good, the bad, and everything in between, including all those burning questions you've got. So if you're thinking about getting into selling digital products, then you'll want to watch this entire video before starting or continuing with this venture. Okay, so guys, before we get into the nitty-gritty of selling digital products, let's ensure we're on the same page about what exactly we're discussing when it comes to digital products. So in a nutshell, digital products are any goods or services that exist in a non-physical form and are delivered electronically. As we discussed earlier, a digital product is essentially an intangible good or service that exists in a digital format. So basically, it's something you can't hold in your hands like a physical product, but rather something you access and use electronically. Printables, which can be anything from worksheets and planners or budgeting templates and artwork, perfectly fit that description. So they are digital files, typically PDFs or other downloadable formats that you purchase and then print out for your own use. Basically, you're not buying the physical piece of paper, but rather the right to access and utilize the digital design for your own printing needs. So printables are a great example of how digital products can include a wide variety of offerings, catering to a diverse needs and interests. Now, let's talk about the good stuff. Low overhead costs. Selling digital products means you've got something you can share with the world without the headache of managing physical inventory or shipping costs. Unlike selling physical products, you don't have to worry about stocking inventory, managing warehouse, or dealing with the problematic shipping fees. It's pretty much create, sell, and watch the magic happen with a lot of marketing, of course. So this translates to higher profit margin for you since there are minimal costs involved in getting your products out there. Speaking of magic, automation is another perk. Once a digital product is set up, the whole process can run on autopilot. Imagine creating an ebook or an online course and having customers pay and receive access instantly 24/7 while you're sipping on margaritas on the beach or, catching some well-deserved sleep. Guys, I remember my first sale as if it were yesterday, and for some reason, most of my sales came through during the night while I was sleeping. Just to be clear, I am not making crazy money selling digital products, but I can tell you this: I am grateful for every penny that I'm receiving right now. Another benefit of digital products is more choices and more sales. So digital products is great because they let you offer more options to your customers, which can mean more sales for you. Imagine you can create awesome to-do list templates. Printed versions might come in a few set sizes like A4 or letter size. If someone wants a smaller list to fit in their pocket or a bigger one for their desk, they're out of luck. But with the digital downloads, they can print the template at any size they want, perfectly fitting their needs. Okay, guys? They can even make changes to the template, like adding more lines or changing the font size. This gives them more control and flexibility, right? Which is a big plus. It is easy to get started selling digital products since you do not have to be a professional graphic designer. So here are some simple tools that can help you create digital products, okay? So for ebooks and courses, you can use software like Google Docs or Microsoft Word with built-in formatting features, You can also create basic printables or other visuals with user-friendly platforms like Canva, Adobe Express, PictoChart. I will also have a video on that coming, okay? You can even purchase PLR products. This means private label right products, and redesign them to sell as your own product. So if you're interested in any PLR product, check out instantrights.com with a huge 50% off all the products. Okay, so my dear, you've got to put in the work up front. All right, I'm talking about creating valuable content that people actually want to invest in, whether it's an ebook, an online course, or some amazing software. It's got to solve a problem or fulfill a need that your target audience has. Nobody wants to buy something they don't need, right? Then there's the marketing side of things. You can't just bill it and hope they'll come. You got to get out there and hustle, guys. Choose one or two social media platforms and post consistently. That can mean different things for different platforms. For example, on TikTok, it can mean 2 to 3 times per week, and on Instagram, it means posting a reel once per week. You can also use email lists, collaborate with other creators. There are tons of things you can do, okay? So you got to be prepared to do the hard work in order to sell your digital products, okay? And let's not forget about competition. The digital world is crowded, my dear, and you got to find a way to stand out from the crowd and show people why your product is the one they need. What makes your product unique? Why should someone choose yours over the millions of other digital products out there? Okay, so guys, this is how I try to differentiate my products, is by learning more about my niche. So since I suffer from anxiety attacks, I want to be able to help people who are suffering from anxiety and panic attacks as well. So therefore, I have enrolled in a course where I can become a coach to help individuals with this mental illness. It has helped me to identify what digital products I can create and sell as a coach to my target audience. Starting a digital product journey is not an easy task. I believe you can sell digital products in every niche. It's just that some niche takes longer than others to start making money. So this is something you need to keep in mind when starting your journey. So posting on Instagram every day, I must admit, guys, it is very challenging to do without using some sort of automation or scheduling my posts, and even incorporating some AI for assistance. If you want more details on how I do that, check out this ebook right here. But with hard work, dedication, and a killer product, you can definitely make it work. So forget the get rich quick scheme and roll up your sleeves and get ready for the work. It will be an adventure, guys. Okay, so guys, if you are getting value, please go ahead and subscribe. Okay, guys. So if you want more details on how you can easily and quickly create your first digital product in one day with the help of ChatGPT, then watch this video next. And guys, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on selling digital products.